You will need to do a few things if you own accounts jointly with another individual with respect to how they are handled after you're gone. Usually, a joint account is going to go to the other person that you own the account with when you're gone automatically. No court order is needed, no additional documentation is needed. If there's a joint account with you and another individual, that other person will get that account if you go first. You will also probably want to still name what are called death beneficiaries on those joint accounts to make sure that they go to the right people after the second person passes away. If you have a trust, if you create a trust, which we do at our office, then I always recommend that you list the trust as the death beneficiary on all financial accounts. That way, if someone predeceases you that is a listed beneficiary of yours, there will not be a problem because the trust will figure out and know how to handle if someone predeceases. So the idea is it never goes to court, never goes to probate. If you want to talk more about estate planning, trusts, wills, incapacity planning documents, please feel free to give my office a call. My name is Sarah Ocampo. I am a estate planning, business, and probate lawyer in Las Vegas, Nevada. You can book a call directly with me on my website, or you can call my office to schedule.